We're going to talk about agreement in Spanish, and we're going to try to do it in the simplest way possible so that it's easiest to understand and you don't have to be a grammar guru to be able to understand it. That being said, I will refer to different things like this, but I'm also going to explain what they are, and knowing what they are is more important than knowing vocab like nouns and articles and adjectives and all that. Agreement in Spanish. Just know that when you have a noun, remember in Spanish, every noun is either masculine or feminine. That's very important to remember. They all have gender, and it's going to influence our definite and indefinite articles and our adjectives in Spanish. So all of these, this is where agreement comes from. All of these must agree in two ways, in both gender of the noun and number of noun. So the noun determines how the definite or indefinite articles will change, or the adjectives will change. All right, let's look at some examples here. All right, so you have, say we're going to talk about perros, so dogs. All right, so we have our noun, and now we're going to look at the article, and we'll say, since it's perros, it's going to be los perros. It is plural, so you add that S, and then endings match up. It's masculine, so you have the O form instead of las. You say los perros. And then we'll just say they're big dogs. So los perros grandes. Es at the end because it's plural. Grande is one of those adjectives that doesn't change for gender, so we don't have to worry about that one for this example. All right. Second example, excuse me, we don't know that yet, but I gave it away, a little spoiler. All right, it is familia is our noun. So familia, it's feminine, so we have the A there. It's also singular, even though you're talking about a group of people, the word familia by itself is just singular. So you have la familia. All right, now we need a word to describe the family. Let's go with small, so we'll have a different one. Pequeño. All right, now we're here. We need to think about the ending. All right, it is feminine and singular, so pequeña. La familia pequeña. All right, third example. Our noun will be sombrero. All right, so here it is singular. We know that, and it's masculine, so we'll have el sombrero, and then we'll say a color. It's blue. El sombrero azul. Notice azul is like grande in the fact that it doesn't change whether it's masculine or feminine. And we'll look at the next one to know what happens with words that end in a consonant when they're plural. All right, so let's say gafas, glasses. All right, so es, it is feminine because of that A, S plural, so las, gafas. We'll make them blue glasses so I can show you what happens there. Azules. So anytime that you have a consonant at the end, to make it plural, you'll add ES to the end. Very important. And then this is just a quick intro to the agreement. Like I said before, it could be definite or indefinite articles. Indefinite articles is like uno, una, unos, unas. So instead of los perros grandes, you'd say unos perros grandes. una familia pequeña, un sombrero azul, unas gafas azules. So that's what it would look like. That's the difference between definite and indefinite articles. But let me know if you have any questions at all. Espero que estén bien. Adiós.